Game failing to initialize because of the Epic Online Services SDK Win64, shipping 1.14.2 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming. To start our troubleshooting for Epic Online Services SDK Win64, shipping 1.14.2, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Epic Online Services SDK Win64, shipping 1.14.2, a version-specific 64-bit implementation of the Epic Online Services EOS SDK. Many modern multiplayer games, like Fortnite or Fallout 76, require this specific revision to handle localized matchmaking and achievement data. If missing, the game will refuse to join online servers, citing a security module load failure. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. EOS SDK Win64 shipping 1.14.2 is a standard component within most gaming graphics runtimes. You can resolve this by installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy D3DX and X input files, and updating your GPU drivers if the error involves OpenGL, OpenCL, or CUDA. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Epic Online Services SDK Win64, shipping 1.14.2, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Manual intervention with Epic Online Services SDK Win64, shipping 1.14.2 DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with Epic Online Services SDK Win64, shipping 1.14.2. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Epic Online Services SDK Win64, shipping 1.14.2 or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.